Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow. Joey the rat, Joey the pigeon, Joey the loser. You are such a loser, bro. First of all, address a few things before I keep throwing dirt on you. Because, like I say, bro, either you apologize to the Jewish community, the Mexican and Puerto Rican community, and the African American community. If you don't apologize, bro, I'm going to keep breaking you and breaking you till you had nowhere else to go but tell the truth. Bro, I told you when I first started, I'm never going to stop. I'm never going to stop. The day I heard you be racist for absolutely no reason, but other than to act like you're tough. Act like you're tough. And you're not. You're a punk. So if you think because I'm breaking you now that I'm not going to finish what I started, like I told you, bro, apologize or I'm going to keep going. And by the looks of it, I don't think you can really last too much longer because I'm breaking you down. I can see it, bro. You're breaking. You want to cry right now because you're stealing people's music, stealing people's beats, and you just talk crappy about everybody else. Even when you are breaking, you still a loser, piece of crap. You'll 2 to 3 fans are idiots still. Idiots. Even if it is fans. To this point now, bro, I don't even think you got none. You might have 1, 2. But you throwing us 3 under the bus for no reason other than your own. It wasn't no reason like we did you wrong, we did you bad. All we did was exist, and we happened to be the lucky 3 that you picked on and belittled. So just will really get that out that we're not friends. We're not associates. This is me digging you out and breaking you in half until you say sorry. So I don't want you to get confused that it's a chance that me and this guy won't keep his word because I might say sorry, this and that. You can say sorry. In fact, it's your best interest to say sorry because if you don't say sorry, it's going to get worse for you. See, I didn't catch all little hints at first. Little pieces starting to come together. You've been listening to me for the whole time. You can't help yourself. I'm talking about you, so you can't help but listen. And I appreciate that because I'm digging you out. And this is the last time I'm actually apologizing, because I shouldn't have to tell you more than once. Apologize if you're a real honest person. You are, bro. Now I'm about to throw a little bit more dirt on you, so we better brace for this one. This is a good one though. You're a classic, bro. You're a classic. You're a classic loser. I will give you that, bro. You going down with the ship. I understand it, but it's absolutely pathetic. Joey the Rat loser. You pathetic giblet head, bro. Why are you literally writing being fake fans? Mine with Blue Wrench, two more other people. Wow, bro. Wow. I guess you trying. I mean, I would have never guessed the great Tyree Sneeze, aka Joey the Rat, aka Pigeon, that he would have to fake write good things about himself. Joey the Rat, you gotta understand this. You literally have sunk into the point where you have to write your own fan. You had to be your own fan and write something nice about yourself. And you couldn't just be settled with that neither. You had to go over the top. You had to push the envelope, because see, that's what losers do. They get little success. They ain't used to winning because they're losers. You know what I mean? They're losers, so they don't know how to win. So when they get success, they don't know how to control themselves. They gotta go a little higher this time. Like, yeah, I can do it, And then something else happened where they just be like, that's it. That is it. This is a good one. I'm about to go for the ball this time. I'm dunking on people. Shoot. Lawrence Taylor and Ray Lewis tried to tackle me on the football field. I literally stiff-armed them both. Stiff-armed both Ray Lewis and Lawrence Taylor. They couldn't even touch me. I literally broke their ankles because I'm the greatest. And that's when people say, you bullcrapping now. And you be trying your hardest from that point on to make people believe that you stiff-armed Ray Lewis at the 20, high-stepped it all the way to the 50, then high-stepped over Lawrence Taylor. It's just, the stories get crazier and stupider, to the point where you just like, forget it, man. I gotta find a way to get out of this lie, but I gotta start a new lie. See, that's what y'all do, man. And it's like so beautiful. Y'all losers. Y'all don't know how to win. That's why y'all losers. Y'all losers, and y'all try to be winners, and it just don't work, bro. You are a loser. You literally just try to keep getting away with being a fake fan. You were a fake fan, bro. You wrote yourself as a fake fan. I understand, man. You know what I mean? Like, look, man. I understand being a fan. Say you own a business and you like, man, I ate at Chachi's and it was the best I ever had. If I have a restaurant, so I'm gonna do that. I'll be like, man, I had the best goddamn food at this one place. I think it's called Mr. T's or something. Bro, it was the greatest food since sliced bread. See, that's acceptable because it's like, man, you trying to make money. But being a fake fan on YouTube, you're that much of a loser that you can't even have real fans on YouTube. Wow. You got stunk. Yeah, boy, your level, Terry, like, man, you got to start buying some land for me to have to dig the holes so you can get a new level. So you got to let me know. I would dig a few holes because I know you go surpass that hole and that hole and that hole. So, I mean, you, Joey the Rat, a.k.a. Joey the Pigeon. So, when I figured it out, and I ain't gonna lie, you know, because I ain't one of these people that think I'm my wife. She brought it up to me first, because she just started noticing these like fans like saying this outrageous stuff. I would have never ever would have thought about it because I'm so focused on breaking you. Would have thought about that, but then I'm like noticing just now that you left and I could see you was thinking. You were thinking, I gotta find a way to get people thinking I'm still cool, people think I'm still good. Cause this son of a B ain't gonna break me. Even though I told you, bro, I said you apologize in 5 minutes. I will say I will be done with it, bro. You would never hear another video from me again. Trust me. You will. You better say sorry. I'm telling you, bro. You better say it. Loser. Unbelievable loser. Fake fans. Wow, bro. You were terrible.